have one speed.
Me too, man. We're gonna get along great.
I am a carnivore with a capital C.
This is Homemade Live,
Don't pass out. We got you, baby.
the show where your favorite celebrities
Kelly is in the freaking house. Very happy to be here.
cook their favorite meals.
This looks so beautiful.
Discover the dishes that define them.
I came here to cook and now I'm crying.
Homemade Live is a new type of cooking show.
That's so good.
Shot with real food,
Toast for the gods.
real people,
You can't trust him.
in real time.
That was on purpose, obviously.
Yeah.
Things don't always go as planned,
Oh! Sorry, Mom.
which is just the way we like it.
What is happening? All of a sudden, we're in Katie's kitchen, and I'm here for it.
Trust me, it smells really good.
And it's not just fun in the studio.
It did line you up. A little surprise.
We also take you all over the country
Welcome to the first day of the rest of your life.
to highlight incredible food stories.
Come see us next time you're in town. I got more sandwiches to make.
Woo!
We'll cook,
I want to make this now.
we'll laugh,
Wasn't a plan.
we might even have a drink or two.
I'm just getting a little dizzy.
And we're just getting started.
How can this not be good?
This is my
Dude, we try and bring it. We try and bring it.